we have rational equations. And when we have a rational equation, we want to get rid of the denominator. The denominator means division. So the inverse operation of division is going to be multiplication. So since I have a v squared in the denominator, to get rid of this v squared, we're going to multiply everything by v squared. Cancels out, cancels out, cancels out. So I'm left with 6v minus 6 plus 2 equals 1. So then I get 6v minus 4 equals 1. Add 4. Divide by 6. And that is my solution. Let's look at number 3. I have an x plus 1 in the denominator. So that means to get rid of it, I'm going to multiply everything by x plus 1. So I'm going to get x plus 1 times x plus 1 equals, this cancels out, 4. So now we multiply everything. X squared plus x plus 1. Combine like terms. So now I identify this is now a quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation, subtract 4. Try and factor it. So x equals negative 3 and 1. Because I set each one equal to 0. Let's look at number 5. So I have 3 things in the denominator. So it's okay to multiply by 1 at a time and just rewrite it. So multiply by y minus 3, y minus 3, y minus 3. So that's going to cancel out. So I get 7 minus y minus 3 over 2 equals y minus 2 times y minus 3 over y minus 4. Now I can multiply everything by 2. So times 2, times 2, times 2. So I'm going to get 14. The 2's cancel out, so minus y minus 3 equals, no, nothing cancels out on the other side either. So I get 2 times y minus 2 times y minus 3 all over y minus 4. Now notice I just did it all one at a time. So now I got to get rid of the y minus 4. So I'm going to multiply everything by y minus 4. So that cancels out. So I'm going to get 14 times y minus 4 minus y minus 3 times y minus 4 equals 2 times y minus 2 times y minus 3. Okay, so at least there's no more denominator. It's still a little messy, that's for sure. So let's start cleaning it up. So distribute. So I get 14y minus, what is that, 40 plus 24, so 60, not 64, 56. Yeah, 56. I can multiply this all together, so minus, you get y squared minus 3 minus 4, so minus 7y, and then plus 12. And that's going to equal, now we got to multiply that together, so 2 times y squared minus 5y plus 6. Distribute the 2. Distribute the negative. So minus y squared plus 7y minus 12. So it's quadratic. I want to get all my y's to one side. So I want to get everything to one side. I want to set it equal to 0. So dot, 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 right? We're not done with it, but you want it to equal 0, and then that's how we're going to solve it. So solving the equation of the lines, remember it's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So y minus y1 equals my m times x minus x1. So that's the point slope. Now you need to turn it into y equals mx plus b. Now you need to turn it into ax plus by equals c. These are formulas we have to memorize. So this is a cubic function. This is a rational function. When it comes to solving an absolute value, remember we want to isolate the absolute value. So like this one. Divide by 10. Now you can get rid of the absolute value by turning it into a plus or minus statement, right? And that means two equations, one positive and one negative. And then you just solve for each one.